Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an item to your shopping cart on the C&A application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the products button down below, and after that select a category and then a product that you would like to purchase. Scroll down and select your size, then tap on the add to cart button, tap on the cart icon down below, which is the fourth option at the bottom, then click on proceed to checkout. After that you should fill in this billing address form, including your title, first and surname, then the street, the number of your address, then your country, your postal code and the city name, then the email address, your birth date, and then your phone number. After that, tap on continue to delivery, and then you should select the method of payment, and then you can finalize the process of the order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.